What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation, which is secant theta plus 2 equals to 0, and theta must be between 0 and 2 pi. So I want to isolate it for secant. Secant theta equals to negative 2. And secant is inverse of cosine, so 1 over cosine is negative 2. And when you flip the two sides, it's going to be cosine theta equals to negative 1 over 2. Cosine theta equals to negative 1 over 2. And based on the cast rule, we know cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So we have pi over 3 and pi over 3 in here, because cosine pi over 3 is positive 1 over 2. That's why it's related. So the two answers are pi minus pi over 3 and pi plus pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. These are gonna be 120 degrees and 240 degrees. These are the two answers in terms of degrees. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related playlists in the description in case you need extra help and you want to work with some other trigonometric equations. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to have access to many other videos related to trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and other topics in math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.